All Pasig City Hall employees will be given their full salaries while the enhanced community quarantine in Luzon is being implemented. Mayor Vico Sotto made the announcement on day 1 of the quarantine. It will include regular, contractual, and job order employees. Sotto listed down the offices which will adopt work-from-home arrangement. He also specified the offices that are mandated to maintain a skeletal workforce. Sotto also enumerated the following offices that must be in full operation. Employees from these offices will be receiving additional benefits.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.